Today, I just wanted to talk about two reasons that any injured worker needs a competent, experienced workers' compensation lawyer. There's two things. There's the law, and then there's the practical issues. First, the Louisiana Workers' Compensation Act is one of the most complicated areas of Louisiana law. Just since 1990, there have been over 400 amendments to the Louisiana Workers' Compensation Act. That does not include the over 800 pages of the Louisiana Administrative Code. We now have to deal with medical guidelines, appeals to the medical director, utilization review. We have complicated procedures at the Office of Workers' Compensation. So this has become such a specialized, complex, convoluted, bureaucratic area of the law that even most lawyers no longer understand workers' comp. When I was a young lawyer, most lawyers not only understood workers' comp, but did it if they represented people like I do. Now, you have to have done this for a long time, you have to grow up in the system, you have to do it constantly or you don't understand it. In Northwest Louisiana, there's about 1,000 lawyers. Out of that 1,000 lawyers, there's only a handful that any longer even understands the most basic parts of the Louisiana Workers' Compensation Act. So, excluding the lawyers that represent the insurance companies in workers' comp, there's probably only around 10 of us in Northwest Louisiana that I think really any longer have the skills. So, first of all, the law is now so complex that an injured worker cannot navigate this system by himself. You've got to have competent legal counsel to have any chance at just protecting yourself in this system. So the first thing is nobody except specialized lawyers understand this system anymore. The second thing is, unlike most other cases, the large number in different areas of expertise and the different motivations all the people are that you're going to have to deal with in a workers' compensation case. Only a lawyer that's been doing this for a large amount of time, that has experienced all the hidden traps in the act, can protect you from these people or know how to deal with them. So just a partial list of some of the people you're going to have to deal with. You're going to have to deal with your employer. You may have to deal with a safety director or human resources. You're going to have to deal with an insurance adjuster, with a case a nurse manager, rehabilitation defense experts, insurance company doctors, what are called FCE, functional capacity evaluation providers. You're going to probably, if you have a significant case, have a private investigator on you. You have medical utilization review doctors. You have forms for utilization review. And a lot of these problems have short deadlines of 10, 15, 30 days. Another problem is in your medical care, the Louisiana legislature has turned doctors into your lawyer. You can't take an appeal to the medical director when your doctor's request for medical care is rejected. He has to do it. Doctors haven't been to law school. Doctors aren't lawyers. They don't want to be lawyers. So one of the major problems is the law is now so complex, has such short deadlines in it. If you don't have a competent lawyer with competent staff that's looking at all the mail every day, working on it right then, something bad is going to happen in your case. So that's just two of the reasons why, as an individual, you are an unfair disadvantage with the insurance company. Don't play in a game where you don't even know the rules.